Hey guys! The Galaxy Z Fold 3 should come the closest to the Samsung's notion of a perfect smartphone than any one of its predecessor ever did, at least based on the facts that we are finally going to see a truly full screen device, one that even lacks an obvious display hole housing its selfie camera. That much at least seems to be pretty clear by now, as it was only moment ago that we have encountered another credible leak concerning Samsung's upcoming foldable flagship. As for how high-end we are talking about here, it would appear the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will utilize no fewer than 4 cameras on the back, accompanied by another dual camera setup on the opposite end. 3 of those back modules will seemingly feature Sony-made IMX sensor, the IMX 374, IMX 471 and the IMX 555. On a less promising note, it would appear the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will offer limited telephoto capabilities, even relative to its form factor. More specifically, the device is rumored to be coming with only a 2x optical zoom lens, a far from 100x gimmick that Samsung's been touting as the future of mobile photography just over a year ago. The first selfie camera is a 16 megapixel module of the under display variant, which will leave the large inner screen completely unblemished. Samsung recently showed off such tech at the SID 2021 exhibition, and later in this video, it has trademark as under panel camera. There will be a second selfie camera on the phone. This one is a 10 megapixel punch hole on the external display. It's not clear why Samsung would use only one under display camera. Next up, some bad news. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 will not have a particular impressive camera setup on the back with a 2x telephoto lens and a selection of not very big 12 megapixel sensors. According to the latest rumors, the phone will have a 6.2 inches external and a 7.5 inches internal display, both running at 120Hz. The inner display will support the S Pen too. It may not quite replace the Galaxy Note that we are not getting this year, because it will lack a holster for the stylus. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. For that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.